What's up, guys? Another day at the shop. We had a nice little weekend trip. Went up to Mermit Springs in southern Illinois, did some diving. Got one dive in. Trying out a new tank. Don't know if y'all know this or not. I do scuba dive. I'm a certified scuba diver. I dive with Diving Therapy. Mike Bingham, Renee Bingham, Jason Narave, his wife Ashley. We all went up to Mermit Springs and did some diving. Jason and Mike worked on their technical diving. I just did a fun dive. Leanna went with me. She toured around Metropolis, Illinois, home of Superman, and saw all that. But it was a great weekend. We just took our time getting home. I shot some drone video. You'll probably see it in this video. Shot a couple videos of Mermit Springs. But we're back at the shop today. We're back on the farm. We got a couple things going on. One, I've got to get the Jeep fixed. The shifter, it's an automatic. It's an '08 Jeep Wrangler. The automatic shifter. There's a bushing in there that holds the shifter cable on, the actual shifter on the transmission. I replaced it the other day, but it ain't working. So luckily they sent two. I'm gonna put that one on. And then we're gonna get back work. We're gonna do some work on Cheesegrater. I'm starting to do the setup on the brake booster. And I actually might even start putting some parts, the body parts back on. Not 100% sure yet. We're all gonna see what today is. Today is my last day of my little mini vacation. So it's back to work tomorrow. I think I got enough video shot for this. We did do, last week's video, we did do a video about the jet ski. I'm still researching that. It has not gone away. I just don't have a lot of experience working on jet skis. So I'm kind of getting some information on that. We're gonna pull the motor out, go through that. Really don't know if we need to go through the motor or what. But anyway, y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy the farm, the shop, everything that has to do with it. Appreciate those who follow, comment, like, and subscribe. We're gonna get on it. Had to make room. The other thing I'm also thinking about doing that I forgot all about was our heater core assembly. I don't have a new heater core yet, but we can sandblast these. So that's something else we can do today. And I'm also gonna try to clean up this area of the shop right here. It's getting kind of dirty. Let me pull the Jeep in. We'll be right back. a little bit better. Get to it a little easier. Maybe. Alright, so here we got our new power steering pump. Open it up. We'll make sure that we got the right one. They sent a big box. For a small box. That's crazy. Gives me another trash box. Yep. Well, isn't that lovely? I have no idea what that is. But, yeah, we'll figure it out. Got to redo them. Can't lose that. Really the wrong thing to be using. Hmm.